So, you've seen those gorgeous photos from Anna and Lily New York all over your feed. The prices are a steal, the styles seem designer, but is it all just too good to be true? Let's talk about it. First, here's the real deal. Anna and Lily New York claims to be a trendy boutique out of NYC, but dig a little deeper, and the plot thickens. Customers on Trustpilot are calling it out as a total scam, or at best, a wildly misleading dropshipper. Here's why. Your order might New York, but it's actually shipping from China, sometimes through obscure carriers like BuffaloX. And when it finally arrives, if it ever does, reviewers say it looks nothing like those sleek website pics. Think cheap fabrics, weird sizing, and honestly, disappointment. Shipping? Be ready for a long wait. Over a month, sometimes never. And if you try to return something? Surprise! You're paying to ship it all the way back to Asia. That cost might be more than what you spent in the first place. Now don't confuse this online Anna and Lily with real New York boutiques, like Anna in Manhattan or Lily in Brooklyn. Those are legit, with real storefronts and actual designers. But Anna and Lily's online shop? If the deals seem unreal, or the photos crop out models' faces, it's likely they're using stolen images to sell low-quality knockoffs. Bottom line, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always check independent reviews and trust your gut before clicking buy.